What's up, geeks? It's Brian with the Smugglers Room. Today we're going to do things a little differently, if you'll indulge me. Today will not be a Star Wars related project. I know, but to be fair, I never said this was a Star Wars project only channel. So I guess that was kind of implied. I am wearing a Star Wars t-shirt. Anyway, the point is, today is our anniversary. My wife and I. Well, today is Sunday, and it's Friday for you, so technically it was my anniversary for you guys. 1.21 gigawatts. Time travel is hard. The point is, we wanted to do some different things on this channel as well. And my wife is crazy talented, and she does string art. I had no idea what string art was. So we decided we'd collaborate on something together. Now, to be honest, when I said collaborate, I meant I cut that board, I put some stain on it, and then I sit around and watch her do all the rest. One of the challenges actually is, what do you do? What kind of string art project do you take on when you're trying to convey romance? We wanted something that says after 18 years of marriage that, you know, we're still in love. So yeah, we spent a little time trying to figure out what we were gonna do. And yes, I did ask if we could make a Star Wars string art first. I asked. So after searching the internet for a while and racking our brains, it hit me. I mean, what else says I love you, happy anniversary, than a Ringwraith from Lord of the Rings? And that concludes our romantic trip to Middle Earth. We really hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we're going to have some really cool projects soon. And until then, we'll catch you next time. My face all soaked.
Sorry.
Oh. Here. Did that make
I feel like
you smile?
This is a cat cow. Cash cow? Half cow?
A what cow?